Hey there, science fans! Have you ever wondered why popcorn pops, why soda fizzes, or how your phone battery works? That's chemistry in action. Everything in the universe is made of tiny things called atoms and molecules, and chemistry is how we figure out what they are and how they interact. Picture this. You've got a bag of popcorn kernels, just little hard nuggets, right? But hiding inside each one is a drop of water, just waiting to get energized. When we heat those kernels up, that water turns into steam, invisible, powerful steam. But here's the thing. That steam gets trapped inside the kernel's hard shell. Pressure builds and builds and then, boom! That kernel explodes open, turning itself inside out to release that pent-up energy. And what are we left with? A delicious, fluffy piece of popcorn. Chemistry in action, folks. Ever wonder what makes soda so satisfyingly fizzy? It's carbon dioxide pumped into that bottle under pressure. Think of it like a bunch of tiny bubbles all crammed in there, just itching to break free. When you crack open that can or twist that cap, you're releasing the pressure. And those tiny bubbles, they're like freedom! And they rush to escape, creating that awesome fizzing sound and those refreshing bubbles we all know and love. Have you ever thought about why lemons make you pucker up, but sugar makes you smile? It's chemistry at work on your taste buds. Lemons are packed with citric acid, and acids are like the rock stars of the chemical world. They're sour, tangy, and they love to donate little protons. When those protons hit your tongue, they send a signal to your brain. Whoa, this is sour! On the flip side, sugar molecules have a different trick up their sleeve. They're like sweetness ninjas, sneaking onto your tongue and binding to special receptors. And what message do they send to your brain? Deliciousness overload. More, please. Fireworks! They light up the night sky with dazzling displays of color and light. But have you ever stopped to wonder how they create those vibrant reds, blues, and greens? It's all thanks to the magic of chemistry. Those brilliant colors come from metal salts packed inside the fireworks. When the firework explodes, the heat excites the electrons in those metal atoms, causing them to jump up to higher energy levels. And when those excited electrons fall back down to their normal state, they release energy in the form of light. Different metals emit different colors, so by carefully selecting the right mix of metal salts, firework makers can create a breathtaking rainbow of dazzling displays. Now some of you might be thinking, okay, chemistry is cool and all, but what can I actually do with it? Well, the possibilities are practically endless. If you love solving problems and making a difference, chemistry can open doors to some seriously amazing careers. Want to help people get healthy? Become a chemist and develop life-saving medicines. Dream of building a greener future? Chemistry is key to creating sustainable materials and clean energy solutions. And if you're like me, always reaching for the stars, then aerospace engineering is calling your name. But here's the thing about chemistry. It's not just about memorizing formulas or acing tests. It's about cultivating a sense of wonder and asking questions about the world around you. Why is the sky blue? How do plants turn sunlight into energy? Why does soap make bubbles? These are the kinds of questions that real scientists ask, and they all have fascinating answers rooted in the principles of chemistry. So, the next time you see something cool or experience something new, don't just let it pass you by. Ask why and how. Embrace your inner scientist and let your curiosity lead the way. Want to feel like a secret agent and impress your friends with your incredible spy skills? Then get ready for some invisible ink action. All you need is a lemon, a cotton swab, a piece of paper, and a heat source like a light bulb. Squeeze some lemon juice into a small bowl and dip your cotton swab in it. Now write your secret message on the paper. It'll look blank, but the lemon juice is there, working its magic. Once the juice dries, you can reveal your message by gently heating the paper with the light bulb. As the paper warms up, the lemon juice oxidizes and turns brown, magically revealing your hidden message. Chemistry, it's practically magic. Let's face it, everyone loves a good volcano eruption. And with a little kitchen chemistry, you can create your own eruptive spectacle right at home. You'll need baking soda, vinegar, a tall container, and some dish soap for extra bubbly fun. First, create your volcano shape using Play-Doh or modeling clay around the container. Then, fill the container halfway with vinegar. Add a few drops of dish soap and some red food coloring for a realistic lava flow. Now, for the fun part. Make a small pouch out of a paper towel and fill it with baking soda. Carefully drop the pouch into the vinegar mixture and watch the eruption begin. The baking soda and vinegar react to create carbon dioxide gas, causing a bubbly explosion that will have everyone saying, "Science is awesome." Ever wondered why some things float and others sink? It's all about density, my friends. And with a simple experiment, you can see this principle in action. Grab 2 glasses, fill one with plain water and the other with a super salty solution. Add salt until it won't dissolve anymore. Now carefully lower an egg into each glass. In the plain water the egg will sink to the bottom, but in the salt water, it'll float. Why? Because adding salt to the water increases its density, making it denser than the egg itself. So the next time you see a boat floating on water, remember, it's all thanks to the power of density. Did you know that you can make your very own pH indicator using just a red cabbage? That's right. This ordinary vegetable has some extraordinary chemistry up its sleeve. First, chop up some red cabbage and boil it in water until the water turns a deep purple color. Strain out the cabbage and let the liquid cool. This purple liquid is your pH indicator. Now gather some household liquids like lemon juice, vinegar, baking soda solution, and soapy water. Add a few drops of your indicator to each liquid and watch as the colors change. Acids like lemon juice and vinegar will turn the indicator red or pink, while bases like baking soda solution will turn it blue or green. It's like a magic color show, powered by chemistry. So chemistry isn't just a subject, it's a superpower to understand and experiment with the world. From the food we eat, to the clothes we wear, to the technology that connects us, chemistry is at the heart of it all. All you need is curiosity, a little creativity, and a willingness to get your hands dirty. Try one of these experiments and tell me in the comments what happened. And if you want more fun science videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.